Zimbabwean billionaire Strive Masiyiwa is set to usher Africa into an entirely new era of technological transformation after announcing his ambitious plan to build 5 state-of-the-art artificial intelligence factories across the continent. Valued at a staggering 720 million US dollars and driven by his company Cassava Technologies, this groundbreaking investment is not just another corporate expansion. It's a bold attempt to position Africa at the forefront of the global AI revolution. Could this be the moment Africa finally closes its digital gap with the rest of the world? The scale of this project is breathtaking. Cassava Technologies has confirmed that the 5 AI factories will be located in South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, Egypt, and Morocco, strategic markets that together represent Africa's largest hubs of innovation and economic activity. By establishing facilities in these regions, Masiyiwa's vision is to give African nations their own sovereign AI infrastructure, reducing the overwhelming reliance on foreign cloud providers in the United States, Europe, and Asia. He has described the initiative as part of Cassava's sovereign AI cloud strategy, one designed to empower Africa with the ability to host and run its own AI systems locally. Now, this is more than infrastructure. It is sovereignty in the digital age. Can Africa truly leapfrog decades of technological exclusion through bold moves like this? Now, the overarching goal behind this mammoth investment is crystal clear: to democratize access to cutting-edge AI tools for African businesses, startups, and researchers. As Masiyiwa himself put it, the AI factory provides the infrastructure for innovation to scale, empowering African businesses, startups, and researchers with access to cutting-edge AI infrastructure. Indeed, now they don't have to look beyond Africa to get it. The idea is simple, yet revolutionary. Create a space where raw data enters and trained AI emerges, all within African soil. Now, this reduces the continent's dependence on costly overseas providers while giving African innovators the ability to experiment, build, and scale AI solutions at competitive costs. How transformative could it be if African health researchers, financial analysts, or climate scientists could finally train AI models without battling crippling barriers of cost and access? Behind this monumental undertaking stands Strive Masiyiwa himself, a man whose career has been defined by a relentless commitment to innovation. Born in Zimbabwe, he rose from modest beginnings to establish Econet Wireless, which today ranks among Africa's largest telecom giants. Over the years, Masiyiwa has built not only a business empire, but a reputation for anticipating the next big wave in technology. His ventures under Cassava Technologies span telecoms, fintech, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and renewable energy, all pillars of Africa's digital future. Forward thinking has always been his strength, and his track record demonstrates an uncanny ability to see opportunities long before others. His bold entry into AI factories is therefore not a surprise. It is a continuation of decades-long journey of challenging limits and pioneering new frontiers. Could this, perhaps, be his most enduring legacy yet? The first of these AI factories is already under construction in South Africa, and its specifications alone are jaw-dropping. Powered by 3,000 NVIDIA graphics processing units, the very hardware that fuels today's most advanced AI breakthroughs, this facility promises to deliver AI as a service across the continent. The GPUs are energy-efficient supercomputers capable of performing billions of calculations per second, offering researchers, developers, and entrepreneurs a once unimaginable level of computational power. Cassava has already confirmed that Much of this computing power has been reserved by African researchers and developers hungry for access. Think about it. Only 5% of African AI talent currently has the tools they need to perform complex tasks. Could this factory be the gateway that finally unleashes the continent's untapped potential? To appreciate the magnitude of this investment, one must understand how severely disadvantaged Africa has been in the global AI race. The continent contributes a mere 0.1% of the world's computing capacity, a number so small it is almost invisible on the global scale. For decades, African researchers and innovators have been locked out of meaningful participation in the AI revolution due to astronomical costs, lack of infrastructure, and dependence on foreign platforms. Even worse, Africa is dramatically underrepresented in global AI training datasets, meaning algorithms that govern everything from finance to healthcare often fail to understand the African context. This is not just a technological gap. It is an essential threat to Africa's ability to control its digital destiny. In such a lopsided playing field, is it any wonder that Africa's brightest AI talent often leaves for opportunities abroad? Masiyiwa's vision directly addresses this imbalance. By establishing 5 world-class AI factories, he is not only providing Africa with computational power, but also ensuring that data remains on the continent under African stewardship. His partnership with NVIDIA, global leaders in AI supercomputing, means Africa will not have access to the same caliber of technology powering Silicon Valley, Beijing, or Berlin. These facilities will link into Cassava's wider digital ecosystem, including Africa Data Centers, Liquid Intelligent Technologies, and Liquid C2, creating a seamless network that combines storage, connectivity, and cybersecurity with next-generation AI capabilities. Could Africa's digital economy finally begin to operate on equal footing with the rest of the world? The benefits of such an undertaking are vast and almost unimaginable. For African startups, the ability to train and deploy AI models locally means reduced cost and greater competitiveness. For academia, researchers will finally have access to computational resources previously far beyond their reach, democratizing innovation in ways never seen before. For governments, keeping sensitive data on the continent enhances digital security and reduces reliance on foreign actors. And everyday Africans, this could translate into AI-powered solutions in agriculture, education, health, and finance, sectors that directly affect daily life. Imagine a future where AI predicts crop yields more accurately for farmers in Kenya, provides faster disease diagnosis in Nigeria, powers next-generation fintech tools in Egypt, or improves traffic systems in Morocco. Isn't this the very leap Africa has been waiting for? Strive Masiyiwa's audacity in embarking on such a transformative project deserves the highest praise. He is not merely building factories. He is constructing the foundations for a digital renaissance that could redefine Africa's place in the 21st century. In a world where technological revolutions decide the fate of nations, his $720 million gamble could be the catalyst for Africa to not just participate in the AI era, but to thrive in it. Yet, as awe-inspiring as his vision is, one question lingers. Why should Masiyiwa stand alone? The truth is that Africa needs more billionaires, more investors, and more leaders with the courage to think big, to dream audaciously, and to act boldly. Masiyiwa has lit the torch, but will others follow? If African billionaires completely embrace the spirit of innovation, the continent could not only catch up to the rest of the world, but even set the pace for future revolutions. Africa is not short of brilliant minds or entrepreneurial talent. It is short of infrastructure, vision, and capital. Strive Masiyiwa is showing what is possible when those three converge. Could this be the spark that ignites Africa's great technological awakening? In the end, history will remember this as more than just a 720 million US dollar investment. It will be remembered as the moment one man dared to reimagine Africa's role in the global AI race. Strive Masiyiwa's AI factories are more than buildings. They are monuments to possibility, sovereignty, and progress. They are a declaration that Africa will no longer remain a spectator in the digital age, and perhaps, if others rise to join him, this could be the dawn of a new African century, built not on the raw materials of the past, but on the boundless power of intelligence, both human and artificial. Your perspective matters. What do you make of Strive Masiyiwa's 5 new AI factories initiative worth 720 million US dollars? Share your thoughts and insights in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the New Africa channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our informative future videos. Stay informed, stay engaged, and thank you for watching.